Let's talk about the latest launched Lava smartphone YUVA 3 with premium glossy back design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.5 inches HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, approximately 81.74% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio. Approximately 269 ppi pixel density, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 13 megapixel main camera, along with AI camera, and with VGA camera. For selfies it has 5 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system. Screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.6 GHz dual-core Cortex A75 plus 1.6 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by Unisoc T606 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 4 GB extended RAM, and 64 GB, 128 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 512 GB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.2 by 76 by 8.45 millimeters, and it weighs around 192 grams. The color options: Eclipse Black, Cosmic Lavender, Galaxy White colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Lava YUVA 3 has been expected priced in Pakistan for 4 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at 22,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $82 and 6,799 Indian rupees, while the 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 24,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $88 and 7,299 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Lava YUVA 3 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.